When fighting with the bow staff, it's unlikely that you're always going to be striking. Whoever you're fighting with would also likely have a bow staff or some other kind of weapon that you're going to have to block. Well, the bow staff can help you here as well. Today, I'm going to be showing you the over-the-head block. To do this, simply raise your bow staff above your head and then lower your forward hand down to create a fairly steep angle. The idea with this strike is that as the weapon hits the bow, it slides down instead of abruptly stopping it. This requires less strength to block the strike. However, because of it, it can be a good idea to open your hands as they're holding it, even the top hand, because as the weapon would slide down the bow, it would hit your fingers. Doing this adds a level of realism to your block. The direction of this block can vary depending on your form, but it's typically done towards your side. This is simply because doing it directly in front of you can feel and look a bit awkward. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, please give it that thumbs up and check out my channel for more bow staff content.